Little storyteller.
Max loved playing video games. His favorite controller was bright blue, with rainbow buttons. One sunny morning, as Max held his controller, it started to glow. Words popped up on it. Not game words, but real-life words, infinite cookies. Max giggled and pressed the button next to infinite cookies. Poof! A big plate of warm chocolate chip cookies appeared on his desk. They smelled sweet and yummy. Max took one and smiled. Suddenly, the controller flashed again. Super jump! Max was curious. He pressed the button and bounced up high, touching the ceiling. It felt like floating. He landed softly with a happy thump. Later at school, Max's teacher, Mrs. Lily, was explaining a long math problem. The controller blinked. Slow motion, teacher. Max pressed it. Mrs. Lily started talking very, very slowly. Her words stretched out like soft taffy. Max smiled. It gave him extra time to understand. After school, Max saw his friend Lily trying to reach a bright red kite stuck high in a tree. The controller glowed again. Super jump! Max knew what to do. He pressed the button, and with a big, gentle jump, he reached the kite and gave it to Lily. Lily's face lit up with a big smile. As the sun began to set, Max's controller showed a new message. Share happiness. Max thought about all the cookies he had. He decided to share them with Lily and his family. Everyone enjoyed the sweet treat together. Sharing made Max feel even happier than having infinite cookies all to himself. It's always nice to share good things with friends.
Please subscribe. Thank you.